Hello, Dr. Dunn. Thank you so much for subbing for my class, fourth grade class today. So yesterday all the students were given flower pots, and we worked as a class and painted all of them. And so today they're going to be using those flower pots. So they've been learning about how to grow their own plant. So they're going to be able to do that and take home their marigolds today. So I've provided you with seeds and soil so they can plant them, and you're just going to pass those out to each kid and help them plant them and make sure that they're doing that correctly. And after that's done, they can just put it to the side and they can take them home after school gets out. So, and also right after they plant them, I have this chart. It is called the My Garden Growth Chart, and you're just going to explain to them how they are going to take this chart home and draw a picture every day of what their plant looks like and continue with that for the next 10 days. And after that, I'll take over after the 10 days to see how much their plant has grown and continue with the lesson. So thank you so much for subbing for my class today, and I hope you have a great day.